Good morning, students. God bless you. Welcome to Max class. In this class, we are going to see applications of distributive property and De Morgan laws. Last class, we have discussed the distributive property and commutative property and associative property oriented sums. In this class, we are going to see applications of distributive property and De Morgan laws. De Morgan laws, two laws you have. The first one is set difference. The second one is the complementation. Okay. The third question from the exercise 1.5. If A is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to Z, minus 2 less than x less than or equal to 4. The x taken from the Z integer and the integer lies between minus 2 to 4. That means more than minus 2, below 4. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 as well as 4 because r equal to given. Then B is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to W, x less than or equal to 5. Strictly less than or equal to 5 is not given, less than or equal to given. Okay. So x taken from the whole number. The whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, the below 5 values. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as well as 5 because r equal to given. Then C is equal to set of all minus 4, minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then verify A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Solution. The LHS A union B intersection C. First find A, B values, set of values. First not be in the roster form, C only in the roster form. When get the roster form means directly solve the properties. Okay, find the roster form. A is equal to set of all x belongs to, already I explained, minus 2 and 4 between the x values. So minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then B is equal to whole number. The numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because less than or equal to given 5 as well as taken. Then C is already given in the roster form. Then find the LHS B intersection C. Common elements for B and C. Okay. B intersection C is equal to set of all 0, 2, 3, 4. Thus comparing both the set B and C, 0, 0, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. The common terms are, that's all. So 0, 2, 3, 4. Then A union B intersection C, find. A union B intersection C. A, okay, this is for A union B intersection C. Okay, this is together. Union represents together. Write both the set. Write both the set in ascending order. We get minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 up to 4. So that's all. This is for equation number 1. Then find the RHS A union B intersection A union C. Okay, this is the RHS. A union B is equal to, together write A and B. A and B values are minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so A and B there. So minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 1 to 5 up to. So this is A union B. Next, A union C. So A and C together to write. First minus 4. This is a below one. So minus 4, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. This is A union C. Okay. Next, RHS A union B intersection A union C equal to set of all. So in common terms for both the set A union B and A union C. So minus 1 is common. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 5 does not be appear. So up to 3, up to 4, 4, 4. Okay, 4. This is for second one. Compare first minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and second minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get 1 is equal to 2. LHS equal to RHS. A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. hence verified. Okay, that's all. Have you understood? First find A, B, then have to operate the property. Okay, then next question. Fourth one, verify A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C using Venn diagram. This is Venn diagram question. So draw the Venn diagram. A, B, C given. So 3 set of value. So draw the overlapping of 3 set. This like A, B, C. This is called universal set. The rectangular box is universal set. Consider the LHS A union B intersection C. A union B intersection C. First find B intersection C. B intersection C. That means common portion for B and C circle. This is common portion. Shared B and then shared C means you get this is the common portion. Okay, so B intersection C is there. Okay, next A union B intersection C. Next find the A. A. So only shaded for circle A. So now also draw the 3 overlapping sets A, B, C and universal set. So A represent, A means shaded only for A. Then the question A union B intersection C. So together form the 2 diagram. So A circle fully and B intersection C portion. So this is your result. A circle fully, then B intersection C portion. This is A union B intersection C. This is your first equation. Next, RHS is A union B intersection A union C. RHS A union B intersection A union C. So draw the 3 overlapping set. Find A union B. Okay, A union B. Shaded only for A and B. This is A union B. A union B. Okay, then A union C means shaded only A and C. So A and C. Okay, this is a 2 diagram. So question is A union B intersection A union C. So common portion for first 2 diagram. So common portion of these 2 diagram. Compare this to A here shaded, then here also shaded. Then the common portion of B intersection C shaded here. Then B is there, here does not be exist, and C does not exist here, here exists. So common portion means both the diagrams want to the same place shaded. Okay, this is shaded region, this is also shaded region. So we conclude, we get A fully shaded, then the common portion. This is number 2. Okay, compare 1 and 2 diagram, we get the same diagram. So compare 1 and 2, we get 1 is equal to 2, LHS equal to RHS. A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. Hence verify. That's all. Have you understood the Venn diagram question? This is very easy. Okay. Next, the 6th question. The 5th question is your homework because it's similar to the previous sum. Okay. Next, the 6th question. If A is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to 6n, n belongs to W and n less than 6, strictly less than 6. The n taken from the whole number. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then below 6 values. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values only. Then B is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to 2n, multiples of 2. The small n taken from the natural number, n belongs to capital N, and 2 less than n less than or equal to 9. The n lies between 2 and 9 and also equal to 9. Okay, so 2 and 9 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as well as 9 because are equal to given. Okay. And C is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to 3n, n belongs to capital N, and 4 less than or equal to n less than 10. Okay. Then show that A difference B intersection C equal to A difference B union A difference C. This is your question. Okay. Then the solution, first to find A, set A does not be given in the roster form. So how to find the roster form of A? The A has x is equal to 6 and multiples of 6 values. This is the general form. Then the condition n less than 6, so below 6 values, so already I explained. So the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So one by one you substitute, we get first 0 replacing by n, 6 zeros are 0. Then 1, 6 ones are 6. Then 2 means 2 6 are 12. Then 3 replacing by n, 3 6 are 18. And 4 now replace, so 6 4s are 24. Then the number 5, 5 6 are 30. The collection of set A is equal to set of all the result 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Okay. Following the same manner to find B. B has the general form of x is equal to 2n, and also the condition is 2 less than n less than or equal to 9, lies between 2 to 9. So the n are all 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 as well as, because r equal to given. So one by one we substitute, we get first 3, 2 3s are 6, then here this is a general term replacing by n, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12 and 2 7s are 14. So one by one 6, 7, 8, 2 8s are 16 and 2 9s are 18. Then the collection of set B is equal to set of all 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. These all are multiples of 2 numbers because the general form is 2n. Okay. Then to find C, the general time x is equal to 3n, n is equal to, the question condition is 4 less than or equal to n less than 10. The number lies between 4 to 10 are equal to 4, 4 to 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to, because strictly less than 10. Okay, so up to 9 you take, you get, substituting one by one in the general term, x is equal to 3, n replacing by 4, 3 4s are 12 and 5 means 3 5s are 15, then 6, 3 6 are 18, 7, 3 7s are 21 and 8, 3 8s are 24 and 9, 3 9s are 27. Okay, then C is equal to set of all the collection of result 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. That's all. Now we get A, B, C value. Then show that the condition A difference B intersection C equal to A difference B union A difference C. Okay. LHS is A difference B intersection C. So B intersection C is equal to set of all common element to B and C. Compare only B and C. Take and write only the common element. Okay, B and C. B has the collection of numbers 6, 18, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So multiples of 2 between 4 to 20. Okay. Then C has 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 7, 27. These are multiples of 3. So this is started from 12. So you have 12 because lies between 4 to 20, multiples of 2 number is B. Then C is equal to 12 to 27. Okay. So the 12 is appear in both the set. Then 18 also appear in the both the set. So the result is B intersection C 12, 18. Next to find A difference B intersection C. This is for A value. So already we find out 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Difference B intersection C answer 12, 18. So omitting B intersection C value from A. So omitting this value 12 and 18. Remaining numbers are 0, 6, 24, 30. Have you understood? This is our first result, the LHS result. Then the RHS equal to A difference B union A difference C. This is your RHS. So first find A difference B. Okay, A difference B. First write the A values difference, then B values fully. differ this two set, we get 0, 24, 30. Thus 0, here 6 is omitting, then 12 so as well as omit, then 18. The remaining numbers are 0, 24, 30. Okay, so that's all A difference B. The same manner of to find A difference C equal to set of all 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 are collection of A, and these are C value. So omitting C value from A, we get 0, 6, 30. The same one. 6, 0, 6 does not be appear in C. So next 12 is there. 12 are there. Then 18, 18, 24, 24. So remaining 0, 6, 30. This is your result. Then the RHS is A union A difference B union A difference C. So I want to write A union A difference B union A difference C equal to A difference B answer is this. A difference B 0, 24, 30, and A difference C answer is this one 0, 6, 30. Okay, union of these two values equal to 0, 6, 24, 30. Right in the ascending order. Number 2. So consider this two 0, 6, 24, 30 and 1 0, 6, 24, 30. So from 1 and 2 we get 1 and 2. Compare 1 and 2, we get 1 equal to 2. LHS equal to RHS. So finally we get the result A difference B intersection C equal to A difference B union A difference C. Okay, have you understood? Okay, this is the applications of De Morgan law. Okay, then today homework, book page numbers 23, 25 and 28. Examples 1.21, 1.22, 1.23 and 1.24. Exercise sum number 5. Okay, that's all. This is your homework. Thank you. God bless you.